You watched our first record cleaning video, you made the soap and water concoction, tried the isopropyl alcohol, bought the microfiber cloths, but those records are still making weird noises? It's time for the big guns. If you've been hopelessly scrubbing your records to the point you've sanded the grooves, stop it, you weirdo. This video is going to give you options to not only speed up the cleaning process, but also vastly improve its effectiveness. I'm Josh, let's get clean. The next upgrade from soap and water is a pre-made solution. Now you may scoff at buying a solution saying, what's it got that isn't just soap and water? But it may surprise you to know the difference it can make. The surfactant, or wetting agent that binds to dirt and debris, is often higher quality in pre-made solutions than just ordinary dish soap. Some great examples of this are the Record Doctor RXLP cleaning solution, where you only need to add water, and the Audio Intelligent Premium One-Step Formula No. 6, which is the fully completed solution. These are applied the exact same way you would with soap and water, but you'll notice just how much more dirt comes out. If you're upgrading the solution, it only makes sense though to upgrade the method of applying it. Microfiber cloths are great, but a brush is imperative to really dig into all the nooks and crannies of a record. Along with solutions, both record cleaning and otherwise, Audio Advisor offers a multitude of fantastic record cleaning brushes, such as the Pro-Ject Brush It Carbon Fiber Record Brush, as well as the Record Doctor Clean Sweep Brush, the latter of which uses over 260,000 superfine nylon bristles. Compare that to a microfiber cloth. 0 bristles! Okay, we're getting serious now. Whether your records are super old and grimy or you just don't have the time nor patience to wash one over the sink, frankly, it's a pain in the ass, there's still hope. The machines. An amazingly convenient and affordable option is the award-winning Record Doctor 6. The Record Doctor 6 uses a vacuum to clean out all the grime and debris. All you have to do is set the vinyl on the wheel, apply the solution and brush as you turn, then flip it over to let the vacuum do the rest. Plus, the Record Doctor 6 comes with a brush and a bottle of solution pre-packaged. Now, if you're looking for something more automated and willing to shell out some extra money, another highly effective choice is the Pro-Ject VC-S2 ALU. Cleaning on the VC-S2 is super simple. You just apply the cleaning solution to the record, then turn on the vacuum and motor, and let the machine do the rest. There are plenty of kits out there as well that sell brushes and solutions all together. Companies like Vinyl Buddy and Audio-Technica offer their own varieties. There are also other machines beyond vacuums, such as ultrasonic cleaners, which use water and high-frequency sound waves to get such a deep clean, you may not even recognize the vinyl you're listening to. These can vary in price though, from sort of cheap to a couple car payments. So ultimately it's going to depend on how much time and effort you want to take preserving your vinyl quality, as well as how dirty your vinyl may actually be. Just like an audio file, records need to be cleaned every now and then. Keep an ear to the groove and be vigilant in cleaning, and your vinyl can last for a very long time. That's it for this video. Remember to like and subscribe for more hi-fi audio tips and tricks. If you have any more questions, leave us a comment or reach out to our sales staff. As always, I'm Josh, and I'll see you next time.